Hello, welcome to Kurdish lessons. Today we are going to learn something interesting. You know, in Kurmanji, adjectives never change, unlike French and other languages. Khoshik is always khoshik. Gule khoshike, bave min khoshike, kurik khoshike, etc. But we have an adjective, which is pir. Pir is old. This is mostly for women. It can be for men as well, but the word kal, which is old, it's only for men. Never say diyaman kale. No, diyaman pire, baveman kale, or baveman pire, but never ever diyaman kale. Okay, kal for men, pir for men, woman, and Kevin is for things or places. Okay, telefonamen ne kevne. As نبيرم باوي من كهلا اوكي فقط